Every business owner should know these website basics, even if you have someone managing it. There are really just three main pieces you need to know about: the domain, the hosting, and the content. We'll also touch on two other things that help everything work smoothly: DNS and SSL. But don't worry, it's all much simpler than it sounds. First, your domain is just the name of your website, like google.com or your favorite store's website. No two websites can have the same domain name. They're all unique. You rent domain names from special companies called registrars, usually for about a year at a time. Most people go with .com, but you'll also see things like .org or .net. That's really all there is to it. It's just your website's name on the internet. Second, hosting is renting space on a computer that never turns off and is always connected to the internet. When someone wants to visit your website, they're connecting to that computer. The hosting company makes sure everything stays running day and night. Without hosting, your website wouldn't exist anywhere for people to visit. Third, content is everything people see when they visit your site. The words, pictures, colors, everything. Now, you could learn computer code to build all this, but most people use what's called a CMS. That stands for Content Management System, which is just a fancy way of saying website builder. WordPress is really popular and flexible. Squarespace and Wix are super beginner-friendly with drag-and-drop tools. These tools let you add text, upload photos, and change how everything looks without touching any code. Now, there are two other things that connect the dots. DNS, or Domain Name System, is the internet's phone book. When you type in a website name, DNS figures out exactly which computer has those website files and connects you to it. This happens every time, and super fast. You never have to think about it. It just works in the background. There's also SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer. You know that little lock icon you see next to website addresses? That's SSL. It just means the connection is secure and private. SSL keeps your information encrypted and safe as it travels between you and the website. Pretty much every website has this now, and most hosting companies include it for free. Here's how I like to remember it all. If your website is a house, a domain is your unique street address. Hosting is your utilities that power everything. And your content, or CMS, is the actual house and how you've decorated it. Or think of it like a car. Your domain is the license plate that identifies your car. Hosting is the engine that determines your horsepower. And content is all the interior stuff you interact with. See? Not so complicated after all. Everything works together to make websites function properly.